Check out this new 2012 Ford Escape. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This vehicle gets an estimated 20 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 26 on the highway. This Escape boasts a 3.0-liter engine, and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses flex fuel. Additional options for this vehicle include the license plate bracket, integrated side step bars, 302 equipment group order code, 50 state emissions, 6-speed automatic transmission with odd, charcoal black, leather bucket seats, 3.0L flex fuel engine, P235/70R16 all-season BSW tires and the ingot silver metallic. Call 800-584-6486 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.